Master Basic English Communication 20 Must Know QA for Beginners. What is your phone number? My phone number is 523 456 7890. Can I call you later? Yes. You can call me after 6 p.m. Where do you live? I live in London. What is your email address? My email address is albert@example.com. Can you send me the details? Yes. I will send them by email. Who is calling, please? This is Barbara speaking. How can I contact you? You can contact me by phone or email. Are you available for a meeting tomorrow? Yes. I am available in the afternoon. What time is the meeting? The meeting is at 10 a.m. Can you hear me? Yes. I can hear you clearly. Can we meet in person? Yes. Let's meet at the cafe. What's the best way to reach you? The best way is through WhatsApp. When can we talk? We can talk tonight. Do you have a business card? Yes. I have one with me. Can I leave a message for Albert? Yes. I will give him your message. Who should I contact for more information? Please contact Barbara for more details. Is it okay to text you? Yes. Texting is fine. Can you repeat that, please? Sure. I said, the meeting is at 10 a.m. Are you on social media? Yes. I am on Facebook and Instagram. How do I spell your last name? It's spelled Albert.
Hi Isabella. How are you?
Hi Dexter. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. I heard you recently moved to Singapore. How's life there?
Yes, I did. Life in Singapore is amazing. It's a beautiful city.
That's wonderful to hear. What do you like the most about Singapore?
I love the clean streets and the beautiful gardens. The food is also very delicious.
I've heard a lot about the food in Singapore. What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is Hainanese chicken rice. It's very tasty and popular here.
That sounds delicious. How is the weather in Singapore?
The weather is hot and humid all year round. It takes some getting used to, but I like it.
Do you miss anything about your hometown?
Sometimes I miss the cooler weather and my family, but I'm happy here.
Have you made new friends in Singapore?
Yes, I have made many new friends. People here are very friendly and welcoming.
That's great. What do you do in your free time?
I like to explore the city, visit different attractions, and try new foods.
What are some must-see places in Singapore?
You should definitely visit Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, and Sentosa Island.
I've seen pictures of those places. They look incredible. Have you been to the night safari?
Yes, I have. The night safari is a unique experience. You can see many nocturnal animals.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to visit Singapore someday.
You should. It's a wonderful place with so much to see and do.
Thank you for sharing, Isabella. It was nice talking to you.
You're welcome, Dexter. It was nice talking to you too. Take care.
At the theater, simple English conversation for beginners. Hi, John. It's nice to see you here at the Royal Opera House. Are you excited about the play?
Hi, Anna. Yes, I am very excited. I love coming to the theater. Have you been here before?
Yes, I have been here a few times. The last time I saw a Shakespeare play. It was amazing. How about you?
This is my first time at the Royal Opera House. I heard it is very famous. What play are we watching tonight?
We are watching The Phantom of the Opera. It's a classic. The story is about a mysterious man who lives in the opera house.
That sounds interesting. I love musicals. Do you know the actors in this play?
Yes, the main actors are Emily Jones and Michael Smith. They are very talented and famous in London.
I can't wait to see their performance. Do you know how long the play is?
The play is about 2.5 hours long, with one intermission. Do you like long plays?
Yes, I do. It's a good way to spend the evening. Do you often go to the theater?
I try to go at least once a month. It's a nice break from everyday life. What do you usually do for fun?
I like to visit museums and art galleries. I recently went to the British Museum. It was fascinating.
That's great. I love the British Museum. Did you see the Rosetta Stone?
Yes, I did. It was very impressive. I also like the Egyptian mummies. What is your favorite museum?
I really like the Natural History Museum. The dinosaur exhibits are my favorite. Have you been there?
Yes, I have. It's a wonderful place. Maybe we can visit a museum together next time.
That sounds like a great idea, John. But for now, let's enjoy the play. The lights are dimming. It's about to start.
Yes, let's. I'm looking forward to it. Enjoy the show, Anna.
You too, John. Let's talk about it after the play.
A boat adventure, simple English conversation between Cedric and Jessica. Hey Jessica, how are you today?
Hi, Cedric. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Did you hear about my new boat?
Your new boat? No, I didn't. Tell me more.
It's a beautiful, big yacht. I just got it last week.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What color is it?
It's white with blue stripes. It looks great on the water.
I bet it does. Have you taken it out to sea yet?
Yes, I went on a short trip last weekend. It was so peaceful.
That sounds lovely. How big is the boat?
It's quite big. It can comfortably fit 10 people.
10 people? That's really big. Do you plan to go on more trips?
Definitely. I'm actually planning a trip this weekend. Would you like to come?
Oh, I'd love to. What should I bring?
Just some casual clothes and maybe a hat. I'll take care of the food and drinks.
Great. What time are we leaving?
Let's meet at the marina at 9 a.m. on Saturday.
Perfect. I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks for inviting me.
Of course, it's going to be fun. I can't wait to show you the yacht.
Me too. I've never been on a yacht before.
You're going to love it. It's so relaxing to be out on the water.
I can imagine. I'll see you on Saturday then.
Yes, see you then. Have a great week, Jessica.
You too, Cedric. Bye.
English practice essential animal questions for beginners. What is your favorite animal, Albert? My favorite animal is a dog. How many cats does Barbara have? Barbara has 3 cats. Can a lion live in the jungle? Yes, a lion can live in the jungle. Do elephants live in Africa? Yes, elephants live in Africa. Does Albert like to watch birds? Yes, Albert likes to watch birds. Where do fish live? Fish live in the water. Can Barbara ride a horse? Yes, Barbara can ride a horse. Is a shark a dangerous animal? Yes, a shark is a dangerous animal. Do you have a pet, Albert? Yes, I have a pet dog. Are penguins birds? Yes, penguins are birds. Where do kangaroos live? Kangaroos live in Australia. Can an owl see at night? Yes, an owl can see at night. Do chickens lay eggs? Yes, chickens lay eggs. What color is a panda? A panda is black and white. Does Barbara like rabbits? Yes, Barbara likes rabbits. What is a baby cat called? A baby cat is called a kitten. Is a crocodile a reptile? Yes, a crocodile is a reptile. Can a cheetah run fast? Yes, a cheetah can run very fast. Does Albert have a fish tank? Yes, Albert has a fish tank.